Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how-to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
Okay, today we're fixing the lock because for some reason the lock don't work. I don't know why, but it doesn't work. It'll lock it, but it won't unlock it. So knowing me, I probably tore something up. But anyway, here's what we're doing. You're going to remove, there's a cover there. There's a cover there. And then you got one bolt there, another one there. Those are 6 millimeters. So push the screwdriver, the flat blade in. Do like so. It's gonna take 2 hands to pull it off. There we go. Pop that out, then you got that there. Throw that in the yard if you want. Go find it later. Next one is trying to get this out. This should be fun. 2 hands. We'll get back to that. Took a little finessing, but I popped it out. That's what you get. Let people drive your shit. They don't take care of it. Next up, that's 5/16. I need to get me another little thing so I can use the magnetic tips. I got them somewhere, but I can't remember where I put them, so I knew where this was. Okay, there's that. Switch over to the 6 millimeter. It's the damnedest place to put that. I don't know why they do that. I guess so to rub off, so you have to buy more of them. Make sure you don't lose that. And I just said, don't lose that. And I do. Huh. All right. Next part, supposedly it's supposed to be just an easy lift like the old ones. It's kind of like the Lincoln Town Car, but this panel's a lot heavier. Now there's some wires on the other side. There's a few things to kind of jimmy loose. Got the handle, and you got that wiring harness. 2 hands. All right, what you want to do is this pops right out. You take and pop the handle out. And you just kind of turn it this way. pull the door handle, the panel to you. Tuck it down in there. And then you got that you got to disconnect, and you got that there for the mirror to disconnect. And it takes 2 hands, so I'm sure you can figure it out from this point. Well, in case you didn't figure it out, here's what you do. Because it wasn't as easy as it looks, but it's doable. First of all, you got the green and gray one. You're going to need a screwdriver because you can't get your fingers in there. And then you got to bend that wire, and it's really hard. The black one, which is right there, you have to get it from the other side that's facing that direction, because for whatever stupid reason they didn't want to face it out. So there's that. Take this, and throw it in the yard. Next up, this damn locking mechanism. I have to get that out to figure out what's wrong with it. And I have no clue, so this is gonna be fun. I don't know what size they are, and I'm hoping that's all it takes is the 2. If it takes more than that, then we got a problem. So there's that.